In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Amazon affiliate link to Blogger. If you want to monetize your Blogger post by linking to products, this is a simple and effective way to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to place an Amazon affiliate link directly into your blog post, so readers can click on a product name or phrase and be taken to that product page. To begin, open your Blogger dashboard. From there, either create a new post or open an existing post that you want to edit. This works well if you already have a product review, recommendation list, or any article where mentioning a product naturally fits into the content. Once you're inside the post editor, locate the text you want to turn into a clickable link. This is usually the product name, but it can also be a short phrase that makes sense to your readers. Next, highlight the exact words you want people to click. Be intentional here, because clear anchor text helps your post look cleaner and makes it easier for visitors to understand where the link will take them. After selecting the text, look at the toolbar in the Blogger editor and click the link icon. This will open the link settings box. Now, paste your copied Amazon affiliate link into the link field. Make sure you've copied the full affiliate URL correctly before pasting, so the link sends readers to the right product page and properly tracks your referral. This step is especially important because a broken or incomplete link can affect both the user experience and your affiliate earnings. You'll also see an option to open the link in a new tab. If you want readers to keep your blog post open while they visit Amazon, go ahead and check that box. In many cases, this is a helpful choice because it allows visitors to return to your post easily after viewing the product. Once everything looks correct, click Apply to insert the link into your highlighted text. And that's it. Your Amazon affiliate link is now added to your Blogger post. Before publishing or updating the post, it's always a good idea to test the link to make sure it opens the correct page and behaves the way you expect. Taking a few extra seconds to verify the link can help you avoid mistakes and keep your content professional. With this method, you can quickly add affiliate links to product mentions throughout your Blogger content in a clean, reader-friendly way.